Hey guys, welcome to AG's Kitchen. It just dawned on me, literally, that I've never made, I don't think, a breakfast or a lunch, which is what we're focused on. It's afternoon right now when I'm cooking. But that kind of meal. I've made all I've made is dinner meals or dinner videos for dinners. But I'm gonna have fun with this one. This is gonna be an interesting one. Never tried this before. So last night I was thinking, what do I want to make tomorrow? Before I get a bunch of studying done. So after I make this and have breakfast, it's going to be studying for the rest of the day, which is totally fun. I'm excited. It's going to be prepped for tomorrow's Resurrection Sunday. He is risen. So check it out. I'll share it with you. This is what I'm making. Yeah. I'll show you the ingredients and then explain. Check it out. So what we got going on here is I'm going to make some tacos. I guess you would call them breakfast tacos, if you will. So we got the tortilla shells, corn tortilla, and we got the eggs. So I'll scramble these, saute some onion, season, and then cut up some ham, and then I'll put I'll have some hot peppers and oil, jalapenos. I'll mix some of this Kinder into the egg and ham mix, along with a little smoked paprika. And then the sauce that I love topping stuff like this with would be this particular one, and this one. And I forgot one little ingredient that I need, which is splash of milk, lactose gluten-free milk, lactose-free milk basically. So that's kind of what's on the menu for today. Let's see how it goes. And as always, everything I make is gluten and dairy free, so I hope you enjoy these recipes. This one just randomly came to mind last night, and I had some ideas of seasonings, and I was like, you know what, I have this Brazilian steak seasoning. I think it'll be actually really good with it. So, like I said, everything I make is gluten dairy free. I don't think I've made breakfast or lunch tacos. I call them breakfast tacos. Let's do that before. So we'll see how it turns out. Hope you enjoy this adventure in AG's Kitchen. So what I'm doing now is picking up the tortillas first instead of last. Look at this, beautiful. Using some grapeseed oil because it's a high heat. I've actually never used grapeseed oil that I can remember before. It's a high temperature oil. I use olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil. So this is what the first part is looking like. And yeah, let me get back to it. So I just cut up the onions. Okay, let me just be honest. My knife skills aren't that great. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like cutting onions and stuff, and I don't, I would try to not make sure I don't cut myself. So I don't know what this thing's called, but I don't know what it's called, but it helps me to cut onions and stuff. And then I have if I need to dice it, I have which I've showed you guys before, my Ninja blender, which this thing is a beast. I think I've had this thing for 5 or 6 years, I think. But yeah, 5 or 6 years, So all the attachments kind of thing. And then I only needed a half onion, like literally, folks. That's all I need. So I got that. Let me show you what I finished up here. And some of these, they are a little overcooked, but that's okay. These are the tortilla shells, corn tortilla, like I said, gluten-free. And it's okay. They'll get cold a little bit, but that's okay. And then what I'm going to do here in just a moment, and this actually won't take long to do, I'm going to add this seasoning right here along with the rest of the oil I used for the tortillas to cook them up. This is a grapeseed oil, great with cooking on high heat. So just want to use this up. Matter of fact, I'll mix it in with this as I cook it, and then I'll season it up, and yeah, it should be good. So I'm just going to continue this journey. Listen to that sound of those onions just cooking. Ooh-wee. So after I get these done, I'll set them aside, and then I will pick the last thing I need to cut. We'll cut up the ham, and then go like this, and then throw it in with the scrambled eggs, a splash of milk over there, right there. Caramelize these onions. Oh, guys, you don't even know. It smells fantastic. It's going to be awesome. I hope you enjoy this journey so far. Like I said, my knife cuts aren't that great, but yeah, this is going to be really cool. I'm excited. And this is a sweet onion. So, yeah. This should be good. Or yellow onion. Sweet onion. Sweet onion. It's an onion. Okay, so I got the eggs cooking with the ham and that seasoning, that Brazilian steak seasoning. Before I assemble, everything else is cooked down. The onions look fantastic. I'll show you real quick. All over here, look at that. That's gonna look great. So we got those onions. I actually like the color of them. They look a little more charred, but they look really great. They look more charred with the camera, but they're gonna turn out great. I think it's gonna be great. So yeah, there we go. Time to keep on cooking. It's done. I'm done. It's done. They are done. Just saying. No, the breakfast tacos, if you will, are done. Definitely took way longer than I expected. Absolutely way longer. But I'm gonna show you them before I put the sauce on them. So the back ones, let's see, we got that scrambled eggs with ham and sauteed onions, which had that Kinder's Wood Fire blend, and then Kinder's, which was for the sauteed onions, and then the Brazilian steak seasoning for the eggs and ham. And then basically the only difference on the front ones, instead of jalapenos, on top with jalapenos, instead of jalapenos, it's got that, shout out to Northeast Ohio, classic, come on, gotta represent. Got that hot peppers and oil. You cannot go wrong with those, folks. If you haven't tried them, check them out. Just saying. If you're in Northeast Ohio, you know what I mean. Just saying. So, top them with that, and then I'll show you the finished product as far as with the sauce that I showed earlier in the beginning of this video. But hopefully you enjoyed this journey. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday so far as well. So let me show you what just transpired. And now I'll show you after I add the sauce, the crema, the chipotle crema in the chamoy sauce, the chamoy. Hey, how you doing? There you go. There's your humor for the day. So I'll show you after I add it. Let's check it out. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the finished product? Oh my goodness, they look so good. Look at them over there. Look at them. I'm about to show you. So I'll say this real quick before I show you. I love putting this sweet and tangy chamoy sauce. Kind of gives it that sweet, like obviously tangy taste. And then the Cholula crema chipotle sauce gives it a little more spice to it. Although it is spiced with the jalapenos, pickled jalapenos, and the other ones that have the hot peppers and oil. So good, so good. So let's take a look. Let's see. Turn it up. Here we go. Here's that first batch. You see that? Look fantastic. That second batch. Ooh, look at that. Right over there. Looking fabulous. Oh my goodness. These are going to be good. These are compliments to the chef. Oh, that was me. Anyways, AG's Kitchen. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Where are my manners? Let me say this, I'm sorry. I do the sign off like this. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed this adventure of AG's Kitchen on this particular Saturday. Listen, this took way longer than I thought it was gonna take to cook. That's okay, it's Saturday, okay. But listen, hey, tomorrow is Resurrection Sunday. Resurrection Sunday. Let's stand boldly together for Christ. No excuses. If you claim Christ, stand boldly for him. Don't make excuses why you can't. Because then I'd ask, do you really stand for Christ? Seriously, I will. You can bet on that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you in AG's Kitchen.